Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Omicron live news updates. India's Omicron tally jumps to 1,892 as 37,379 new COVID cases reported in 24 hours. COVID cases are on the rise in India and other parts of the world, fueled by the more contagious Omicron variant. To curtail the spread, India has started vaccinating teens between the age group 15 to 18. Follow Omicron live updates here. The Indian Council of Medical Research has already approved an RT-PCR kit Omicron to detect the Omicron variant in patients. India's Omicron tally has jumped to 1,892 as the country reported 37,379 new COVID cases in the last 24 hours. Around 766 recoveries from Omicron have been recorded over, and daily positivity rate is at 3.24%. Around 100 students of Patiala Medical College tested positive for COVID-19 on Monday. The authorities asked all the students residing in the hostel to leave their rooms immediately. Cabinet Minister Rajkumar Varka has confirmed the information. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has tested positive for COVID-19. He had isolated himself at home and said his symptoms were mild. He tweeted, "I have tested positive for COVID. Mild symptoms. Have isolated myself at home. Those who came in touch with me at last few days kindly isolated yourself and get yourself tested." New virus cases in Australia surged to record levels on Tuesday, increasing the strain on hospital and testing centers across the country. In South Wales, Australia's most populous state, 23,131 new cases were reported, in increase on the record of 22,577 cases on New Year's Day. There were 1,344 people in hospitals, up 140 on the previous day, and 78 more than record previously set in late September. The new cases were detected from 83,376 tests, a positivity rate of 28%. Victoria State reported 14,020 cases on Tuesday, eclipsing the record of 8,577 set on Monday. There were 516 people in hospital, including 108 in intensive care. The new numbers mean Australia has passed the grim milestone of 500,000 COVID-19 cases. New South Wales Chief Medical Officer Kerry Chan on Monday urged people not to seek hospital treatment unless absolutely necessary. It is important that we all play our part in not placing unnecessary burden on the health system, she said. Arvind Kejriwal test positive for COVID-19, says system mind. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Tuesday tested positive for COVID-19 and has mild symptoms. He said in a tweet, Arvind Kejriwal was isolated himself for now. "I have tested positive for COVID. My symptom has isolated myself at home. Those who came in touch with me in the last few days, kindly isolate yourself and get yourself tested," Arvind Kejriwal tweeted. Amid the surge in COVID-19 cases in the national capital, including those of Omicron, Arvind Kejriwal on Sunday had urged people not to panic as most infections were mild. Citing official data, he had said that the daily COVID infections in Delhi were growing by leaps and bounds with every passing day. Delhi on Monday had recorded 4,099 COVID infections. Arvind Kejriwal has been traveling to the election-bound states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Goa to review Aam Aadmi Party poll preparedness. Over the past week, Kejriwal attended rallies and events in Dehradun, Lucknow, Amritsar, Patiala and Chandigarh. The Delhi Disaster Management Committee is slated to review the national capital's COVID-19 situation on Tuesday. Amid the constant rise in COVID-19 cases and the positivity rate, the DGMA will hold a meeting of 11 a.m. The positivity rate in Delhi was recorded at 6.46% on Monday. If the positivity rate stays above 5% for more than 2 days, the Delhi government may issue a rain alert and impose strict restrictions. Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra too has isolated herself after a member of her family tested COVID positive on Monday.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.